Very good morning, children. In previous class, in computer, I have seen everyone has attempted very well, very nicely in test. Hope you all are well and you will study always very nicely and will do good in all the exams. Students, today we will learn the chapter Operating the Computer. In this chapter, we will learn how to start the computer and how to shut down the computer. The main thing is that how to start the computer and how to shut down the computer. Children, in the previous chapters, we have learnt about parts and function of the computer. Now let's learn how to use the computer. To start a computer, we must follow these steps. Switch on the main power supply button. First step is switch on the main power supply button. Then switch on the UPS button. If electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. And then switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Just look at the picture and then switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. You will find a welcome screen of Windows. Student, there are 4 steps in operating a computer. Means to start a computer. First, switch on the main power supply button, and second, switch on the UPS button. Third, switch on the power supply button of the CPU and switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. Then you will find a welcome screen on Windows. Children, you will enjoy using Windows as it is very easy to use. Windows is the most popular program that makes a computer work. Once the computer is switched on, you get the first display screen that is known as desktop. Once the computer is switched on, you get the first display screen known as desktop. As you will on the computer, you will get this screen and this is called desktop. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. Just look at the picture carefully. These full screen is known as desktop and small pictures are known as icons. Dear children, now tell me, you can view only the thing when you peep through the window of your bedroom? Can you see only few things? No. You see many things. You see different views from your window. If you open your window of your bedroom, you see many things. In the same way, you can open the view many programs in Windows like Paint, movies, music and games. Starting a program. To open the window, follow the steps given below. Click on Start, All Programs, Accessories and WordPad. The WordPad window will be displayed. Now title bar. The topmost blue bar of the window is known as title bar. The topmost blue bar of the WordPad window is known as title bar. Resizing a window. You can change the size of a window. Look at the control button at the top right corner of the title bar. Top right corner at the title bar. You will see the button, control buttons. Click on the middle button. Restore down. The WordPad window will become smaller in size. Click again the middle button to get back to its normal size. Click again on the middle button to get back on its normal size. Now moving the window. Moving the window. Click on the middle button. The window will become smaller in size. Click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Drag the WordPad window to the right side. Now move the pointer over the desktop area and click once. The title bar of the WordPad window turns gray. This means that is not active, but you can read the items in the WordPad window. Now how to start? Now click once on the WordPad working area. The title bar turns blue. It means the WordPad window is active. Now how to start a computer? Dear students, right now we just came to know about how to start the window. Now we will learn how to shut down a computer. How to start a computer, how to shut down a computer is very important question. Now first of all we will click on start button. Then click on shut down button. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button. Switch off the UPS and the main power supply button. Dear students, there are some computer tips. Switching off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the CPU can harm the computer. So we must follow the steps how to shut down a computer. First of all, we should click on start button, then shut down, and then wait for some time till computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button, then switch off the UPS and main power supply button. Thank you, dear student. Hope you all understands. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, children.